Let us solve for x and y in this equation. X plus y is equal to 2, then xy is equal to 8. Now, x plus y is equal to 2. Let us call this equation 1. And xy is equal to 8. Let us call this equation 2. From equation 1, x plus y is equal to 2. Let us make y the subject of the formula. Y is equal to 2 minus s. Let us call this equation 3. From equation 2, xy is equal to 8. Now let us substitute for y, which is 2 minus x. S bracket 2 minus s is equal to 8. Now let's open the bracket. S multiplied by 2. This is 2s minus s multiplied by x. S squared is equal to 8. Let's bring this 8 to this side. 2x minus s squared minus 8 is equal to 0. Let us divide the whole of this equation by minus 1. Then 2x divided by minus 1. This is minus 2x, and minus s squared divided by minus 1. This is plus s squared, minus 8 divided by minus 1. This is plus 8 is equal to 0. Let us put this in standard form. S squared minus 2x plus 8 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation which can be solved using quadratic general formula. And the quadratic general formula is given as s is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Then from this equation, the coefficient of s squared here is 1. That is, a is equal to 1. Then the coefficient of s here is minus 2. B is equal to minus 2. And the constant is 8. C is equal to 8. S is equal to minus bracket minus 2 plus or minus square root of minus 2 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 8 all over 2 multiplied by 1. S is equal to minus times minus 2. This is 2 plus or minus square root of minus 2 square. That is 4 minus 4 times 1 times 8. That is minus 32 over 2 multiplied by 1, 2. S is equal to 2 plus or minus square root of 4 minus 32. That is minus 28 over 2. X is equal to 2 plus or minus square root of minus 28 can be written as square root of 7 multiplied by 4 multiplied by minus 1 over 2. Then S is equal to 2 plus or minus square root of 7 multiplied by square root of 4 multiplied by square root of minus 1 all over 2. S is equal to 2 plus or minus square root of 4 is 2. Square root of minus 1 is I root 7 all over 2. Then S is equal to 2 over 2 plus or minus 2I root 7 over 2. 2 here 1, 2 here 1, 2 here 1, 2 here 1. S is equal to 1 plus or minus I root 7. This is the value of S. We've gotten the value of S. Let us solve for Y. To solve for Y, from equation 3. Y is equal to 2 minus s. Then y1 is equal to 2 minus s1 is 1 plus I root 7. And y2 is equal to 2 minus s2 is 1 minus I root 7. Then y1 is equal to 2 minus 1 minus I root 7. Y1 is equal to 2 minus 1. This is 1 minus I root 7. This is the value of y1. Also, y2 is equal to 2 minus, if you open the bracket with this negative, we have 1 plus I root 7. Y2 is equal to 2 minus 1. This is 1 plus I root 7. This is the value of y. Therefore, our final answer are s1, y1 is equal to 1 plus I root 7, 1 minus I root 7. Then s2, y2 is equal to 1 minus I root 7, 1 plus I root 7. You can see that the value of s1 here is equal to the value of y1 here, and the value of we may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation s plus y is equal to 2, sy is equal to 8. Let us consider this. S plus y, this is 1 plus I root 7 plus 1 minus I root 7 must be equal to 2. This cancel this. 1 plus 1, this must be equal to 2. And of course, 1 plus 1, this is 2, is equal to 2, which is true. Now let us consider this. Xy is s plus 1 plus I root 7 multiplied by 1 minus I root 7 must be equal to 8. Then 1 times 1, this is 1 minus 1 multiplied by I root 7, this is I root 7 plus I root 7 multiplied by 1, this is I root 7. Then I root 7 multiplied by minus I root 7, this is minus I square multiplied by root 7 square must be equal to 8. This cancel this. This cancel this. 1 minus I square multiplied by 7 must be equal to 8. This is 1 minus I square is minus 1 multiplied by 7 must be equal to 8. This is 1 minus times minus 1 times 7, that is plus 7, must be equal to 8. 1 plus 7, this is 8, is equal to 8, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.